Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. In the previous class, we have completed our classwork. Am I right? Classwork of first lesson, that is hard words, question and answers. Question 1, 2 and 3. Am I right? Yeah, okay. So, I would like to take your classworks, my dear, all of you. Take your classworks and textbook also. Take your classworks and textbook also. See, I'll read the question answers once and then we'll go for textbook work. Okay, so open your classwork, ma. Open your classwork. Okay, then look at the first question. When the queen asked the king whether he was the wisest man, the king replied that it was so. What do you think this says about the king? First question. Now answer. When the queen asked the king if he was the wisest man, he replied it was so. It tells us that it was vain. Next, second question. You have to look into the classwork. You have to put your finger on the concerned line and follow me. Okay. Then second one, why did the queen test the king? Why did the queen test the king? The queen tested the king because she wanted to test the king's wisdom. Next, third one, you have my answer. The king says this to the queen at the end of the story. How did the king give his answer without actually saying anything? Now the answer is, the king indicated the queen that there was a swarm of bees around the wreath of real flowers and gave the answer without actually saying anything. Okay, these are the question and answers. Now take your textbook, my dear. Open page number 5. Open page number 5. As I explained in the previous classes, we have two types of nouns, common noun and proper noun, and we have collective nouns also. Okay, so common noun and proper noun. Common noun means the in general, we can call in general, like boy, girl, dog, in general. Okay, so proper noun means it is a specific name of a person or a place or a thing, like animals, pet names. We give names for our pet. Am I right? Like Snoopy, puppy, doggy, like that. Okay, then people also have a specific name. Like I have a specific name, you also have a specific name. Am I right? So that specific name is proper noun. Okay, so about this proper noun and common noun, I explained in the previous videos, I think. Yeah. So now today we are going to do a textbook work. First bit. What is the first bit? Page number 5. A bit. Circle the common nouns underline the proper nouns. So this is the heading, A bit. In that first one, what is the first one in A bit? The king was the wisest man in the world. The king was the wisest man in the world. In this sentence, we have to circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. Here, king, it is a common noun because we haven't mentioned a name of the person, name of that king. So, it is a common noun. So, for common noun, we have to circle. Do it with pencil in your textbook, my dear. Do it with pencil in your textbooks. Okay, then man. Man is also a common noun because no name is there. Man. Then world. It is also common. Right. Next, second one. The queen held some flowers in her hand. Next, third one. Praveen lives in a village Praveen lives in a village near Jaipur. Next, fourth one. My mother teaches at Vivek Vihar School in Girgaon. Next. The children are going for a picnic on Friday. Now, we have to underline proper noun and circle the common noun. First one we have done. Now, second one. The queen held some flowers in her hand. Here, queen. Did we mention any name here? No, we haven't mentioned any name of that queen. So, it is a common noun. Next, flowers. Here, flowers also. So many types of flowers will be there. If we mention any name of a particular flower, then it is a proper noun. Now, flowers. It is a common noun. So, we have to circle. Next, see here, my dear, Praveen. It is the name of a person. Am I right? It is the name of a person. As I have my name, you also have your name. Like Praveen, it is the name of a person. So, it is a proper noun. When we mention a particular name of a person or place or thing, then it is a proper noun. Specific name. Then, lives in a village. Village. So many villages will be there. Village. So, it is a common noun. Then, Jaipur. It is a specific name of a place. Jaipur. It is proper noun. My mother. Mother. So many mothers are there in this world. Am I right? Mother is in general. If we mention name, then it is a proper. So we haven't mentioned name here. It is a common noun. Then Vivek Vihar School. It is a name of the school. Like our school, Montessori school. Like Vivek Vihar School. It is a name, specific name of a school. So it is a proper noun. And Gargaon, it is also a name of a place. Common, proper noun. The children, so many children. So it is common noun. Then, as I said in the earlier class, days of a week is also proper noun. So, Friday, it is a proper noun. Days of a week, months of a year, all these are proper nouns only. So, Friday is a proper noun. Okay, my dear. Note, you tick it in your textbook with pencil. Okay. Then, your daily work is read and practice question answer 1 for 2 times. Question answer 1 for 2 times. Okay. This is your work you have to do in your textbook with pencil. That's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.